Good afternoon, everybody. It's raining here in Manchester. My last day here. Tomorrow I'm going to go to Liverpool. I'm excited for it. I've heard a lot of good things about the city. Let me explore some street food here quickly. Love it. Oh, it's I inhale some spices. Yeah, some chili. Amazing. Thank you so much. I may pop in later. What time do you close? 5:30. Good to know. I will be back. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my goodness, plantain. Wow, Oh guys, that looks amazing. Oh, rain. Rain on my phone. I saw something interesting at the beginning of this. Row.
So I expect you probably about 4 o'clock tomorrow. You alright?
Lamb casserole, guys. Put the fire, Baba.
So let me get my umbrella up again. Oopsie daisy. Sorry.
Ik een raad door een raad. Niks daarvan.
The grated cheese? Just grated cheese. No one did it. No. Want me to wrap it up for you? Take away? Eat it now.
I'm not used to filming street food with a gimbal. It feels very weird. It's moving all directions. I can't focus on the food. I don't like it. Let me see what's happening here. Hiya, can I have a look? Look at that tool. Oh my goodness, I love it. I missed it. See you later, thank you. Hi.
I'm आपका बेटा क्या आपने मुझे नहीं पहचाना?
Showing your pictures, they're right jabbing. Showing your pictures, you're great.
You're not very interesting.
Yes, thank you. Just looking, thank you.
No problem. Where are you from?
I live in London. That's all I'm going to say about myself. Thank you so much.
Enjoy and be happy.
Thank you. I got water dripping on my phone here. It's okay.
Like your umbrella.
Right, nice. No, it's okay. I expect a lot of kitties following me, wanting to eat those birdies. Thank you so much. Take care. So, yeah, I should probably dry my phone. I've got tissue here because it's starting to rain quite a lot. A little preview of my umbrella. Now let's walk.
We should have got an umbrella.
Just checking the statues. Wellington, it says. I'm going to keep this as a street food video with a little bit of preview of the Manchester rain, Manchester in rain. And I'm going to start a brand new video, a long walk in Manchester in rain. So it's going to make more sense title wise. So I'm going to cut it short here and start a new 1 hour long video walking in the rain. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.